Do you know how great it is to know your hair looks amazing and that you look amazing with the hair? Because bikinis, thongs, cover-ups, tans, and lovely curls, you need this. Hi guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching more Tony. Today's video is on this hair which I received from Wiggins Hair. It is their 5x5 HD lace loose deep wave in 24 inches. This is the texture of the hair. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect for summer. We're gonna call it belly button length. It is absolutely beautiful, and if you'd like to see how I install this unit, it gets done in under 10 minutes if you have to get ready for work and whatnot. If frontals are not your cup of tea, I really recommend a 5x5 wig by Wiggins Hair. The lace on this wig, let me tell you that it is beautiful. Like beautiful HD lace. Like this is looking perm-like. It is so beautiful. See how I installed this? Please do watch on. And I also have filmed another video on how I prep the closure, how I get it looking like a frontal. So do keep your eyes peeled for that. And thanks for tuning in. Let's go. I'm gonna start off with my wig cap on my head already. If I show you guys my cornrows, you might want to unsubscribe from me. So this is the wig. It's really nice, and look at the waves. This is perfect for the summer, so I'm really happy that they sent me over this wig. It's a 5x5 lace wig, really simple. It's got 2 combs here, 5x5 HD lace at that, and the lace is really lacing. Like, even let me do this. It's invisible. Whatever's left on my makeup brush, I just put it on my cap so it blends a bit better with my skin. Let me just put the wig on my head. Ooh. And bring it forward. I don't do the whole glue your cap, bald cap method. I'm not a fan of that. I just feel like it's a lot of sticking and a lot of adhesive. The main reason why I wear wigs is as a protective style. It just doesn't make sense to me, so I literally just put on my cap and call it a day. So let me just make sure none of the lace is folded. Let me even zoom in so you guys can like really catch a glimpse of how seamless and how much this lace blends in with my skin. Look at that. I've unfolded, well, I've zoomed it in just for you guys to get a really good glimpse of the lace and how the HD lace blends in with my skin. If it wasn't for this side, like this side here, you literally wouldn't know that I've still got the lace on. Do you see how amazingly this lace blends with my skin? Like, looking Trinidadian, Japanese and Indian. I'm gonna, just so I can get like a nice thumbnail picture. Let me just pose. This is like really easy to do. Like, it is, will save you a lot of time. I'm gonna cut off the lace in a zigzag motion. That's what really gets it to look like scalpisha, like scalpiana, because when it's cut in like a straight line, it's really fake looking. When it's jagged, it's hard to explain, but I'm sure when you see babes on Instagram, you can tell when someone's hairline has literally been cut straight across. I got this really small straightener. You guys can see how small the tongs are. This is specifically for my baby hairs. Get this back, take the hair and literally curl it in on itself, just to help like form that baby hair shape, you know? Curl it in on itself. You can see already it's starting to take shape. And then over here as well, curl it in on itself, and it will really help you if your baby hairs are wispy and they're not too thick, because then it's gonna start looking like a costume wig and that's not really good. Oh, myself. My beautiful face. So to set my baby hairs, I'm feeling a bit of Got2B. Yeah. I'm gonna use a little bit of Got2B, the gel. And maybe a little bit of my Design Foam. These two products are literally like the be all and end all for my wig install. And then like whatever's like extra, just literally put it into the front of the hair because we still have to style that. Now, with the edge brush that also came with the wig, I'm gonna just mold the baby hairs into place. That looks a bit thick, so you just have to literally work with it, play with it until you get your desired look. It really helps that we straightened or curled everything out first, because it just helps them like understand where they have to lay, you know? It's like setting it kind of. I'm gonna use my wig grip band to like set the baby hairs and whatnot in place, and let me show you. So this side is just like a fabric side. Can it focus? Yes, fabric on this side, and this side has like these dots. I'm gonna use the fabric side down so that any like products or whatever can dry up. And now to focus on the curls and get them popping and whatnot, I'm going to use my wax stick from Diamante Hair. This is the best wax stick, beats carrot hair in my opinion. Best wax stick is semi-matte. I feel like carrot hair is a bit too oily, greasy, and this one just, it has a nice finish. It isn't too shiny, it doesn't look like, it doesn't make the hair look weighed down. And I'm gonna also use some here, because I'm going to show you guys how I get my wigs looking so nice in front. With my Wahl Hot Comb, I'm going to just really press that so it's flat as hell. Oh, look at that. Like, you guys can't catch the finish or whatever because of the lighting, but it is beautiful. It is, oh. Now this side. See how flat it is? And then I'm gonna also do the front. I like the front of my hair having a bit of height. So I'll go upwards, just to give it some height and so it falls naturally and doesn't just fall there on my face. And then now go across. I'm going to quickly just go run some water through my hair and I'll be back. I have wet my hair a little bit. You can see it shrunk a bit in size. So to like define my curls and just make everything look really cute and juicy, I'm gonna use the Design Foam from Elasta QP. Shape that. Get a bit, massage that through, and the ends actually need quite a bit, so I'm getting another pump. The hair is long, like this is 24 inches of greatness. So 4 pumps. Yeah, call it 4. And the other side. The most like detangling, combing, whatever I'm gonna do to this hair is literally just with my fingers. Like while there's product in it, that's the best time to like work your hands through. Otherwise, when it dries and you're playing in it, it's gonna just get poofy and you're gonna be angry. So this is the most manipulation I've done in terms of like brushing, combing, whatever. So I'm gonna just give that about 10 or so minutes to dry, form, do whatever it decides to do, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So it's been 10 or so minutes. The hair has, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but the curls are a lot more defined, they're a lot drier. So I'm gonna take off this band, and the last step really and truly is just touching up like the baby hairs that I did, because the band might have made them misbehave. Brush the baby hairs out so they're not too like firm and hard and rigid. That, yes. This, yep. And are we there yet? Are we there yet? Let me just have a final look in the camera. Oh yes, excuse me. Telephone report for cheating. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie guys, my hands are dry because I use the mousse. But this is the finished product. This is what I'm serving you guys this summer. I'm giving you curls, I'm giving you ever so subtle and light baby hairs, I'm giving you body. This is more. Do you know how great it is to know your hair looks amazing and then you look amazing with the hair? Because if you've got any holidays planned, I'm jealous of you, but make sure you bag this wig because bikinis, thongs, cover-ups, tans, and lovely curls, you need this. I have filmed a video on how I bleach the knots, tweeze them, and get this 5x5 closure looking like a frontal. On that note, if there's anything I forgot to touch on in this video, please drop me a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. I will see you in my next one. Bye!